Make a great choice today with the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, braking assist, battery saver, adaptive cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.